My name's Dennis McKinnon. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. I came down to have some spider veins removed from my face and to see about some dental implants. But what's happened is I go to Dr. Capellini and I've actually had my whole mouth restored. It's a total mouth restoration.
Wow.
So.
And was this in the playbook when you came down here, or were you just thinking about looking into it?
Well, I thought I may have to go through that, but I thought I wasn't sure about the prices. I had we had emailed back and forth, Dr. Marco and I was quite comfortable with the prices, but I didn't really know whether the time frame was going to fit in, and I didn't know whether I would in fact need a total one. And it just worked out price-wise, time-wise, that it was able to be done. So.
Excellent. And let's just go back to the beginning for a moment. Is this your first time to Costa Rica?
This is my first time in Costa Rica, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. And how did you hear about it? Where did you get started when it came to medical tourism in Costa Rica?
I did some research on the web. I was looking to buy some property, so I've been looking in Italy. I've been looking in Portugal, Spain, and then I came upon Costa Rica. In digging more into Costa Rica, I found out that there was a huge medical tourism business going on down here. And with that, it went in to a lot of research. I said, you know, I need my teeth done because I had tetracycline stains when I was a kid. I had massive doses of tetracycline which stained my teeth at the roots. And there's really nothing they can do about it. They can't whiten it. So that became a factor. I got in contact with a number of dentists, and I wound up picking Dr. Capellini.
Now, back in Boston, did you do any homework in regards to getting it done locally?
My doctor, when I asked her about implants, was kind enough to ask me if I was a wealthy man. And I had been going to her for years. The implants are about $6,000 a piece, crown, everything, between $4,000 to $6,000 a piece up there. I'm having my whole mouth done. I've had 3 implants. I've had 1 root canal. My dentist in Massachusetts told me I would have to have 3 teeth pulled. Dr. Capellini saved all 3 teeth. I'm having an entire mouth restoration done, caps on everything. Down to a B2 color, which means I'll actually have white teeth. These are just temporaries right here. For about $9,000. So less than the price of 2 of them. There was also a woman here who had a price in Boston of just having her uppers done of $50,000. She got a second opinion and it was $100,000. Beverly, absolutely, yes.
Yes. All right, so when you came down here, did you know about Las Cumbres?
That's one of the things that I looked at. I said, if I'm going to have my teeth done, which is a major deal, I'll need to have a place where I can go to actually recover. And the guiding force with this was both Elke, the nurses, the fact that the meals were prepared, and in addition to that, when I had my teeth done, I'm a vegetarian, so they cook my meals for me. And after you have your teeth done, you can live on shakes here for a couple of days. It's just a fabulous place. And as Roger stated, the camaraderie, you meet people, you do things. It can't be easier to get from the airport to here. They take care of it. Even Dr. Capellini will send a car for you. So, I mean, I'm thrilled. I live in the place that has the best hospitals in the world, in Boston, and here I am.
Excellent. And looking down the road, would you consider Costa Rica for major medical procedures in the future if needed?
Well, that depends. I already have I've been through the mill already, so I've already had my knees done, and a lot of arthroscopic work. I would definitely consider it. The dermatologist that I go to, Dr. Tabouche, as Roger said, it feels like he's slumming it when he goes home. I refer to it as going into a MASH tent, when I go home. Dr. Tabouche and Dr. Capellini's office, their offices are just very high tech. have all the latest instruments, and there's no comparison with the U.S.